So why do people come to Bristol Bay Lodge? Because they want a trip of a lifetime, and that's what we provide. We have a commitment to excellence that has been established since 1972. I've been here since 1990. I'm very passionate about what I do. We're in the heart of the most beautiful country there is on the planet. We'd love to show you and have you be a part of our BBL family. Bristol Bay Lodge is located in some of the most amazing, wild, rugged country you can imagine in southwest Alaska. It has a unique fishery of being in the heart of the Wood-Titchik State Park, which is 1.7 million acres. That's our home waters. We run a series of day trips and overnight camp experiences. And so one day you may be fishing locally, the other day you'll go out for a fly out for a day trip, return back to the lodge by 5:30. The next day you may fly out for another day trip and then go out to one of our overnight camps, which we have two of. One is Rainbow, the other one is Birch Creek. It allows you just to see a lot of Alaska, a set of new guides on a daily basis. We just get to use our fisheries in the right way and do a lot of exploring and catch a lot of fish. So Bristol Bay Lodge offers a package that's all-inclusive, that includes your air charter from Anchorage to Dillingham. We try to make everything as simple as possible for our guests, and the long and short of it, if you need waders, boots, rods, reels, we have it. You can literally show up with nothing, and we're able to take care of all your needs. We're definitely here to try to help our guests have the greatest experience possible. From our pilots, to our guides, to our house staff, to our chefs, to our remote chefs, to our remote guides, all are here to provide excellence in a week fishing at Bristol Bay Lodge. So all of our guests here at Bristol Bay Lodge, it's family. It's family to me. It's family to our crew, our staff. We've always ran it like a family business, and we have a chance to celebrate a week of amazing fishing, amazing food, just amazing experiences to really get to know each other in a true magical week.
The wild, wild is calling. The wild, wild is calling now. The wild, wild is calling. There's no time, no time. Oh.
There's no other place on earth that is like Bristol Bay Lodge, and guests that have never been here before often say, "What took me so long?"
There's no time, no time.